Let's be honest. On a family cruise, if the kids are happy, everyone's happy. If they make friends on the first day, best vacation ever. If they don't, it's a long week. Parents know this feeling. What's the first thing your kids do on board? Probably look for someone their age. That first hour is critical. You want them to find their crew so you can finally kick back and enjoy your own time. What if they didn't have to wait? What if your kids could meet their cruise friends before you even leave home? What if they boarded the ship already part of a group? No awkward first day. No searching. No pressure. Just instant connection. Introducing Sia, the app that connects cruise families before you even leave for the port. Meet the families sailing your ship, your date, your itinerary. So your kids can start making friends today. Sia is the app that connects cruise travelers from all around the world before you even leave for the port. Families can find other families sailing on the same ship, same date, and same itinerary. Your kids can start making friends today. Imagine boarding the ship and your kids already have a group of friends waiting for them. No more first day nerves, just instant fun. Sia connects people from across the globe, enabling shared experiences that turn a great cruise into an unforgettable one. When the kids are busy with their new best friends, you finally get that me time you've been dreaming of. Because when everyone has their own crew, the time you spend together as a family is even more meaningful. Sia is launching soon, and it's going to change the way you cruise. Don't let your kids spend the first day searching. Start the connection before you even pack your bags. Get ready to experience the cruise of a lifetime. Visit our website, Sia on Board.